Hi folks, and welcome back to Old School Customs. This is part 2 of Doodle Bug with the Subaru 7.0, and today we're going to take the motor off and weld the motor plate on. And I have this piece of steel that we're going to cut and fit it right in that slot right there to take up the space, and weld it to the motor plate and weld it to the frame. And then the bar that holds this frame and this frame together has been removed to put the motor. So I bent this piece of solid steel and it fits right into the original slots, and we're going to weld it like that to hold the back of the frame back rigid again. Not really sure what else it did. So without further ado, we're going to make some kind of a spacer between here and the back tire to hold it where we want it, and I could go ahead and take the motor off and get the seat off and get the welding gear out. So let's get started with that now. Alright folks, so we're all welded up for the most part. Our welds are ground down. We're going to go over the whole entire thing with some sanding paper and get all the rust off of it, primer it. We're about to head to the store and pick a color. Really not sure what color to go with yet. We already have an orange dirt bug, and we have a plum purple the Roadrunner mini bike. We did green already on the 125. We're thinking like maybe like this color blue, like a neon bright blue, possibly the green again. I don't know. We're gonna go look at colors, and we'll get back at you here in a flash. Alright folks, so we welded everything. We welded this bracket on, we welded the motor plate on and somewhat grounded. We might do a little Bondo work on that. We got a crude coat of primer on here on the bare metal. Tomorrow we're gonna flip it and give it another primer from the bottom side up, and give the whole bike a sanding, and like look for sharp edges that need to be feathered out and tapered and what have you. So we'll make another episode starting tomorrow, but I'm going to go get this one started on the movie making software. So thank you for watching Old School Customs. Please hit like and subscribe. Have a good day.